This video shows how you may solve the following stuff here when you have a $sign working in TypeScript in a project. The $sign for this code stands for jQuery. So you have to install jQuery. It is the same definition as get element by ID or something like this. So for this, go in your Visual Code to New Terminal, and inside there you're saying here, there comes the pop-up here which says take this one, npm I save this, and this one, go from here, copy this one, and in your terminal you're typing in this npm I save dev at TypeSquery. So this will be added, and let's see. Then at least this error is gone. So now we have another problem, but it doesn't depend on that point anymore. So this was normally by when there was brackets around. So, but it's not that. It doesn't matter, as you see the original stuff is away.